Blimey, it's the 21st of September, Saturday. Today is the steam rally. I think I've got the car packed with everything. I'm going to be going and getting Charlie in a bit, and then we're going to go and have a day at the steam rally and a night in the tent, so we'll see how it goes. And that is such a nice day. We're taking the Mercedes today. There she is. New Mercedes, nice and shiny. Will it still be shiny when we get back from Quainton and the field? We'll see. Catch you later. Bye. That's it. Off to pick up Charlie. Yeah. Oh. Turn that down a bit. Let's go get him. I don't know how they do this thing with the camera. Oh yeah, because you've got a view that looks like it's from a drone flying over you. Now, I know I haven't got a drone flying over me. How do they do that? Here we are, on the way to pick up Charlie. And it's a lovely day. Brilliant. Well, I'll see you at Quainton.
Yeah, now. Looks good. And we're just fitting the tent up. It's our tent. It's inside. Looks good. Looks very good, actually. I wish I could get inside it.
We've got all the things.
Yeah, I guess so. We'll do everything. We'll do quite a lot of things. Whoa.
Right. Charlie and I have put up the base camp, I suppose you'd call it. Have a look. Here we have, well, self-explanatory really, isn't it? I need to tell you. But you have a peek inside at the ensuite. There's the ensuite, got everything you need. Shut that down. Now, over to the main residence. This is our garden, by the way, while we're here. It's lovely, isn't it? Look at that. There's the entrance to the station. Here is here's the lounge. Charlie, you going to leave your sleeping bag like that? Look at the state of it. A bit tidy. No. Who was in there last looking for their camera they'd lost? Oh yes, I remember. Right, we're going across to the centre. See you in a bit. I have to put in that lot up. Up over the bridge, looks like it's had some work done. And there's Quainton Road Station. And there's the old line. See the bridge? And that's what it used to look like many years ago. Lovely warm day. Oh, hello. Someone's got steam up. Been a lot of stuff filmed here. Midsummer Murders. I think there was a Foyle's War, I think. You've got an ideal film prop here, look. And it's not a prop, it's real. There's the toilets, Charlie. We need them.
I don't.
Charlie's got a can of Cherry Tango. Oh, that's nice, isn't it, Charlie?
Yeah.
Cherry Tango.
Very cherry.
I've got a glass of Irish Tango. Oh.
Do you mean that?
I'll just put in that tent up, I need this. And then we're going to explore. Won't we, Charlie? We're going to explore. Where are we, Charlie?
We're at the steam rally.
What room is this? Like the restaurant bit?
The steam rally.
Have you finished your cherry?
No.
Oh.
Have you finished your
Look at
beer?
this. Fantastic. Huge single driving wheel. 1847 that was made. Marvellous. Yeah. You see it inside it, look, Charlie. That's where they drive it from. Wow. Incredible. So look in, Charlie. That's where they drive it from. That in there, that's where they have the fire. That makes the steam. I'm not filming now.
Oh.
Do you want me to film it?
No.
Yes, we did cook egg and bacon on the shovel.
What?
Well, drivers of trains used to cook egg and bacon on the back of the shovel, like a frying pan,
Oh.
and then make a sandwich or a butty.
It's a cool
We did
place.
cook egg and bacon on the shovel.
What?
Well, drivers of trains used to cook egg and bacon on the back of the shovel, like a frying pan,
Oh.
and then make a sandwich or a butty.
Oh. It's a cool train.
It is a silly train. Look at that lot. Wow. German sausages. A little light lunch. German sausage. Charlie's got a cheeseburger. Very good. That's what happens when two big traction engines get together.
Do you think they're going to leave it? Do you think they're going to travel somewhere?
We're gonna go on that soon. It'll come around.
Yeah. It's a real steam one there. Film me now. We're now sat in the carriage of a full-size train. So it's a steam train ride on a big train this time. Yeah, Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we are. It's a hot day for the steam rally, as you know.
It's very hard because the sun's shining in it.
Yeah. Nice, right?
Hello. We're right by the engine.
It's true.
And it's hot again, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you filming now?
I think we're gonna have another.
Not filming there, Charlie? No, not filming. Nice in here. I like these old carriages. Little light fittings. Charlie's got his fan going.
It's not really a fan.
It's not really a fan. Well, I think we need some hydration now. I think apple juice would be a good idea.
Going to the movies now.
Who are you talking to? Well, that's good.
Now I can record. But maybe not.
See, not so complicated, is it? And my weighbridge and scales are very accurate, you know. Just to be sure, they're examined and tested regularly by the pulley men. They're at Quainton now, staying just over the way there in their pulley van, the red one. Can you see it? Oh, sounds like the pickup freight coming in from Burnley Junction. Better make sure all the wagons are labelled up. Can't stay talking to you all day. I've got work to do.
There's a nice carriage. Oh, look. There's a little desk. And a phone. Remember, you've never seen these phones, Charlie? A bit different to an iPhone. Lovely old, I like the clock. Hello? Hello, is Charlie Smith there, please? This is the operator. If you speak to Charlie Smith, he has a long distance call from Banbury. What's in here? Oh, loads of cine projector stuff, look. You drop that once more on my foot.
You're gonna turn me upside down?
I'll turn you upside down. Should we go next door and look at the film?
Yeah.
Let's go next door.
Really racked out Blackfriars. The occasional Britannia got a trip. We had some Royal Scots at odd times, but they were beyond belief so rough that they were dangerous. The Metropolitan Steam Suburban Service.
Heading back now. Alan's here, my mate Alan, and I'll go and meet him. Back to the beer tent, and then see what happens from there. So there you go. Slight change of itinerary, but these things happen. Catch up with you in a bit. Bye. Look at this. This is a traditional showman's wagon. And it's beautiful, isn't it? Just look. Oh, look, the old Bakelite radio. Proper china. The old, it's got a gas mantle burner up there still, look. A lovely range. In there you've got the bedroom. And then I think normally they've got a fold down bedroom somewhere. But yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it? Lovely. Happy to spend the night in here. And there's the cat asleep, look. Let's have a look at the organ next door.
Do it in the street.
Oh, and the man,
Calls for the police.
and the man with the baby just waved at us. Yeah, a man with a baby just waved at us.
Well, thank you, mate. For that.
There's Alan! Hello, Alan!
Be careful not to drop that.
No. That's right, I'll jump out and fetch it, but then.
We're going at the same speed. Even the baby says more power in the back. Did you hear it?
Privileged at the moment. Keep the riffraff. We're not riffraff.
I didn't mean that. You know what I mean? It's because I think we've got this music and workshop.
Yeah, yeah. I like the new boiler.
It's not a new boiler.
Is that a recon, is it?
We're doing it ourselves.
Wow. Looks new.
No, it's all being reconditioned. Built the frame ourselves the other month.
Yeah.
This frame we bought out of scrap.
Huh?
We're just doing a rebuild of this boiler at the moment. We're doing some new stay work. Just having a new tube plate, new rebuild and everything else.
Is that a new stabs, is it?
Oh no, the stays are all right.
All right,
We have
okay.
new tubes. Can I get past?
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
New tubes, new tube plate, new longitude stays.
Brilliant.
We have got a new boiler over the one of the locos over there. This is a bit of axle, this one.
A lot of work.
Yeah, not a lot of money.
Yeah, I bet.
This is going to work out about £100,000 time it's finished.
Yeah, oh yeah.
But this is all brand new. What you see here, frames,
Yeah.
original.
Yeah.
Back frames, original. This is all original. That's new. And everything else what you see, apart from the cylinders, is all brand new.
That's
So
it.
we've made this all ourselves. All the smoke box, all new.
That's new, the smoke box is new.
Yeah, all brand
Who
new.
made that then?
Made it ourselves.
Is that from the original plans, or?
Yeah, it's all original.
Yeah.
That's a nice job to form that shape,
That's
isn't
beautiful, isn't it?
Form
Yeah.
that shape,
Yeah.
it's very good.
We're doing all the horn blocks at the moment, and we're running the horn blocks up for the wet.
Yeah, look at that.
Things like this.
Yeah.
Boxes, all brand new.
Wow.
Made them out in the shed over there. New tube plate, new buffer beams.
Yeah.
All new plate work. It's all brand new.
Yeah, brilliant.
Some thick old
We
gauge, isn't
just
it?
came to a point where we couldn't repair it. We
I
just
reckon
had to
you,
start from scratch.
Drilled a hole and polarized it, haven't you? Welded it there,
Nice and hot.
stuck it,
Thanks a lot.
ground it flush.
Cylinders have been rebored, new studs, and then new liners in there. They're getting to about 300 degrees centigrade minus.
Yeah, yeah.
Put new liners in, we didn't do it, we had fun with it. New liners and then rebored again. And then we're just doing, there's a piston on the lathe there at the moment, on the lathe. We're just doing the
Series
liners.
rigs, yeah.
This is all brand new tube plate.
Mm-hmm.
It's about 25,000 quid's worth.
Cool. Blimey.
Yeah, but look at it. Look
Yeah.
at it. You wouldn't make that.
No,
You wouldn't make these days, you know.
Yeah.
Proper
Not
engineer.
many companies now do tube plates.
No.
Be like
It's all brand new.
Would that be welded or not pressed?
That's welded,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
That's welded.
It's all cleaned up, well,
Are you impressed, Alan?
I am, yeah.
In that case, it's got to be good. If Alan's impressed, Alan,
We didn't do
Alan
this ourselves.
is a welder,
We didn't
so
do this ourselves.
That's my trade, welder fabrication,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm looking
Yeah.
at things like
No,
that.
we didn't do this ourselves.
No.
yeah.
We did most of the other stuff all by ourselves. All the drilling and everything else.
Wow.
So this is the inside, of course.
Yeah.
And the tube's got to go in, but this has all got to be riveted to that boiler out there. He's doing all the oak work and woodwork and rebuilding all that lot.
Wow.
Yeah, they know how to do all machinery, doing all the wood.
Yeah.
So we can do all that, and we've got all the machinery.
So you got
installed.
carpenters on
We've got
site.
carpenters
And,
on site and do. You can see the bookshop over there.
yeah.
That we built ourselves. We've got all the internal.
Oh,
stuff
right.
ourselves.
Oh, that's brilliant.
It's all done internally by the carpenters here.
Hmm.
This is this one. See the size of one cylinder. They're big.
That's the biggest old trade, Great Western.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a
Yeah.
Great Western
Has it got a name to it, or is it just a number?
282, 7200.
7200, yeah.
It's a prototype. This is finished.
Wow. Oh, look at the con rods on that.
Christ.
They're
That's
beautiful. They are
all done
beautiful.
by hand.
No,
It's all
really?
done by hand. I'm not joking.
That is amazing.
I
They
didn't
are.
get involved with it, but it's all done by hand.
Yeah.
So you can get a plan view look in there, there's a hell of a lot of work in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of work.
See the old mechanisms and that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
The old pistons in the middle.
Bit of pistons and the valves. And,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a hell of a big piece. Considered a scrapper, that's quite good.
Hmm.
I mean, this is some of the old machinery.
Look at that.
Pillar drills.
What do you call a drill, mate? Radial drill.
That is a drill.
But we use it quite regularly.
Yeah.
I've never heard that name before. RG, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a Denny or something.
Archdale.
We got Miller, we got milling machines.
What's that? 30s, 40s?
About 30s.
Yeah.
30s. We got our milling machines are just pre-war or Lend-Lease, that sort of thing.
Tom, look, let's move it up. Radial drill.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Look at that. Yeah.
Weight on that. Just
Yeah.
One hand.
Perfectly balanced.
Look at that. Ooh.
No, Alan, you cannot take it and put it in your garage.
Don't get the boot boy 52.
We got a nice lathe there, Dean's
Lovely old stuff.
whatever it is, green.
Alan does actually have the strongest workbench in the country at the moment. You could actually put one of your locos on it.
Norton fly press, Tom, you got to film that. Norton fly
Norton
press, they are brilliant, mate.
Oh, this is going to be such an Anaraki video. It's brilliant.
What about
Press.
press?
Oh, look.
We press all our bearings in.
That's modern. Yeah, I do it.
Yeah,
Clark Strong Arm.
it's a boring machine. I think it's a borer. We did extra boxes for one of the Spa Valley Terriers the other month and put new boxes on for them.
Oh, right.
There we got all new barrel made, all tube plate made and everything else.
Oh, right.
The forging there's come from Hull.
Forge, yeah.
Yeah, it got a force as well.
All gates and onions from Birmingham.
Yeah.
It's made by that's where it's made by, but it's came from the North Eastern Railway. I got it from Hull Dairy.
What a lovely forge.
I haven't got the chimney up yet, so
No.
I haven't got it finished. So there's one horsepower compressor there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you got to cut a hole.
There's the blower.
Lower, yeah. All works. They haven't got the foot chimney up yet. I hope it doesn't happen.
So this
Like
is
that,
the old...
rebuilding through here. Through here is going to be the
Cambridge link, is it?
Cambridge
Cam-
link.
yeah.
This is the original old Brill tramway.
they're rebuilding a new
Fantastic.
railway from south of Bedford through Absolutely.
Got 4 main wheels on it,
Yeah, it's a big 282 side tank.
Yeah.
or 282.
Yeah.
This boiler here, which is only a saddle tank,
Hmm.
the boiler is new. It has never been steam yet.
All right. Okay.
It's all brand new.
It's been pressure tested,
It's been hydraulic tested.
so it's got a certificate. Is it?
It hasn't been pressure tested.
Oh,
on
okay.
steam yet.
All right.
Oh, the boiler, that's probably 280.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? The chap who got it had, he was here today doing some other job, but he only did culture from Colchester 2 or 3 days a week. But,
What's that, on an half inch?
yeah, good half inch, isn't it?
Not quite. Getting
Mate,
that way.
3/8.
3/8.
3/8, so to say.
All right, all right. Bloody hell, some people are so picky, aren't they?
Small, out there, chap just got brand new cook plate on Wednesday.
This is an inch and a quarter.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, buddy. That's a diesel, isn't it?
Not a diesel, it's a steamer.
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 Ah.
Diesel, but it's
It
not.
does, yes.
It's not.
I thought it was a diesel.
Sentinel steam engine, vertical cylinder.
Oh, Sentinel.
2 vertical cylinders there.
Same people make the lorries.
Yeah, exactly the same. Vertical boiler, drives chains and gears, makes it go on. Barclay saddle tank, 1891, and a Hutchell Clark saddle tank, 1946. So you're all workable. Oh, let's find some more. They're all workable.
What you put in? And there we are. A wonderful VIP trip of the engine
Did
shed.
you realise how much we got in there?
No.
Yeah, we got loads and loads of it.
Walk round and at least look at it and take pictures.
Yeah, exactly.
Because
I'm
it's
going
a-
to
it's a-
I'm going to take the plates off. Now.
Oh, we've got it, yeah.
I'm not leaving those on.
Yeah.
That's why we didn't put anything, take it off. We didn't know where you put it.
No, I'm going to take them
No,
off.
she loves it. There you go, Garrett.
Yeah, thanks for your help today.
Okay.
No, thank you.
That pump can's yours as well. That came out of that
I'll
one. Up
leave, I'll leave it in.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's
Wish I had a wide angle lens. We are in the cab.
I'll turn that turret off in a minute. Yeah, it's doing steam.
So that'd be the whistle.
That's a whistle.
Yeah, that'll be
It's a regulator.
Gauge glass fittings.
Yeah, yeah.
Fire, of course.
Reverser.
Let me see how much it's got.
Well, she's still glowing away quite nicely.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What's this one in?
See the
Hang
old
on a minute,
tunes.
don't touch it.
No, I'm not touching
No,
it.
no, I just say because it pushed that button.
No, just put me under that. I'm not
It's
gonna-
all right. That's the main power steam brake.
I wouldn't
Let me get
operate
some
it.
gloves on. They don't. It's all right. It pushes that button in, and you can't until you until well, it doesn't matter. But you still got steam on. But otherwise, if I go into without steam, it pushes in, and you can't get it until
No, I
you've got
wouldn't
50
even touch
pound.
that.
No, it's all right. Don't worry.
70 psi. What does it run at normally?
160. So the come off doing all the water. You can try the reverse if you want to, backwards and forwards. That reverse, pull the lead, 2 hands,
Yeah.
just one hand. You
Forward.
Go straight.
That's forward, is it?
Yeah, that's forward. And then reverse.
Oh,
Goes
yeah.
easy as a
Yeah.
and then you put it into mid gear, and then that's it, it's mid gear.
Yeah,
You've
big
got your
gear.
cylinder cocks,
Yeah.
which are very open or sharp. Let me have a look.
Open.
That's open.
Oh.
Sanding gear,
Sanding gear.
steam brake, hand brake.
Yeah.
Let's put that in a minute.
It's a normal, familiar
Whistle.
layout, isn't it?
Right, if you want to, it's still in Steve's.
Really?
Oh, I've got to, haven't I? Got to be done. Sorry.
Alright.
The child is coming out in me massively.
Alright, these are the injectors,
Yeah.
steam, water for the injectors, left and right. That's about it basically, dampers.
Hello, I'm back at the tent. Alan's just gone, or will just be going. I've just noticed I've got an abundance of very nice blackberries. Look at these. They are really sweet. Oh, free supper. I'll tell you what, they are really good. They are really, really good. Anyway. Yeah, the sun's on way down. On my own. They've all left me. Charlie's back at home now. Alan's on his way back. If we can get out, we can unlock the door. I don't know what time they shut the gates, but yeah. So I might have an hour's kip or half an hour's kip and then get back down. There's some music on tonight. The food stalls are all open to about 11. The bar's open till half 11. Hey. So there you go. There's Alan away now. If you can see him there in the there he goes. He's away. Some people caravanning there. Here's my campsite. As you've seen before, the loo, the tent, and brilliant. There's an old ERF away there. So yeah, somebody just come in the camper. Right. I'll catch you in a bit. So here we are in the tent. I'll show you what I can. There's my lantern. Top of the tent. Essentials as usual. Jaffa cake strawberry. Oi. Twin pack of normal Jaffa cakes. Now bear in mind, I was buying for 2 of us and there was only me, but I'll do my best. Dark kitty cat. Now the problem is it's all a bit, I don't know, I think it might have got a bit of heat. Never mind. Apple juice, that's important. And I think we've got some crisps in there as well. So really, that's it. That's all you need. I will have an iPad tonight, not an iPad, a tablet. And that's basically it. Yeah, we'll have the iPad and watch Dad's Armies and maybe a bit of fish and chips back with me as well. So I'm gonna have a snooze now for an hour because well, because I can. All right, catch you later. Bye. Hello. 25 to 7. Had a little nap. Sun's pretty much going down now, so yeah, we'll head across and I think a glass of apple juice and maybe some supper will be good. So there you go. I'll see you in a bit over there and see what's happening. Still got whistles going on and stuff, so I'm sorry I'm in profile. Just got the light behind me. Hang on, I'll turn around. There we go. Ta-da! I love this time of evening. It's really quiet and calm. Listen, the big engines are put away, but can you hear the fire? Just ticking over. A few birds flying over there. It's quite different than it was a few hours ago with loads of people milling round. But yeah, it's just lovely and quiet now. Lovely sky. And it's just cooled down a bit now. It's quite pleasant. By no means cold, but just yeah, just pleasant, just a nice temperature. Just sat here on the station having a quiet contemplate. Quainton station of an evening, isn't it lovely? Just so peaceful. Really is nice. The old signal box up there. Brilliant. Really brilliant. This is the booking office. And here's my favourite tent. Oh, somebody likes Captain Pugwash. Say it again, please.
White wine.
Yes, please, thank you. So we've got a royal family, fish and chips, and I'm back in my tent. Lovely and snug. Brilliant in here. Okay. It's been a great day. Really enjoyed it. That's it, really. I should watch this version of Royal Family and go to sleep. And I'll see you in the morning. Hopefully dry, but it may rain, so we'll see. Okay, in the meantime, thanks for joining me for today. Take care. Bye-bye. Morning. Right, that's better. I've had a wash over in the station and feeling much better. Had a few showers, but it's stopping. Nice blue skies now. Oh, well, we're getting there. There's going to be some nice blue skies. A bit cloudy over there, but plenty of blue over there, so that's good. A few people still here, the old caravan. Somebody over there in their tent in the back. They've got their caravan there. The old tractor, I could hear that going up on the ramp last night. That's where the tent was. Gone now. All gone. All packed away, so I might go and see if I can get a bit of breakfast. Difficult to say what the weather's going to do today. So at the moment it's not too bad, but I think they are forecasting rain, so it might not be, certainly won't be as good a day as yesterday. That was just amazing, that weather. See how very quiet it is this time of the morning. Nobody around. Lovely. Half past 7. Cup of bacon bath, haven't you? Perfect end to a perfect weekend, really. Well, that's it. The end of another Quainton steam rally this year, 2019. Yeah, it's been really good. Had me break and roll, as you've seen, so just remains to head off home. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. I think Charlie did. So, yeah. Thanks for coming along. Catch you in the next vlog. In the meantime, have a good rest of the weekend. And I'll see you soon. Bye now.